Welcome to a product overview of the CXone Mobile SDK. Today we'll introduce you to some functionalities using a real use case for mobile application users. In this video, we will open our sample application which we use for testing. This is an internal application, so note that the final visual look and feel in a customer's application would be different in order to match the overall visual stylings of their own applications. On this first page, we'll show the simulated eShop in the application. The important thing for us is the blue button to start a chat. This user fills out a form and their information is saved as a customer identity. In the future, this information will now be already known to our agents and recalled when the user accesses the application. In this particular case, the user entered their first and last name. The application we're looking at is for a service provider in the field of electronics repair. The user fills out an introductory pre-contact survey about the issue that they're facing, which includes their email address and the type of broken device. This information will be stored in contact custom fields, and these will then be made available to the agent. After the user submits the pre-contact survey, a welcome message is displayed. This is a predefined message that every user will see when entering the chat. Next, we'll see the user send their first message, and at the moment when this case is assigned to an available agent, the title of the chat is changed. In this case, the agent's name is displayed as the title of the chat. As the agent types their reply, we see a typing indicator is displayed. We'll watch now as a short conversation between the user and the agent takes place in order to understand and solve the problem. The user wants to send a picture of his damaged device. He can select it from the library or turn on the camera and take a new photo. The photo is created and sent directly into the chat. The agent would like to know the details of the incident that led to the display breakage. The user could describe at length through text what happened, but instead uses the voice message recording option. He records a voice message and sends it to the agent. At this point, the agent needs time to generate an incident report. The user leaves the application and locks their phone. After some time, the agent replies again in their previous chat. The user is immediately informed about this by a push notification, through which he can easily get back into the conversation. After the use case is solved, a request for feedback is automatically sent to where the user can reply very easily. The agent says goodbye to the user and sends one last rich messaging link, which leads to the official site for more information. CXone Mobile SDK can of course cover many more use cases, and not all functionalities that we currently offer have been demonstrated in this video. Please do not hesitate to reach out to us for more information.